Let's look at how we can send mass emails. For example, if we have a data collection like the one shown here, we can start a mass mailing of personalized emails with a few clicks. As we can see, we have several columns containing data such as salutation, first name, surname, the email address, or an email subject and a path to a file attachment. We can now compose the email text or select a text from existing templates. We can already see here how the Excel bulk mailer basically works. So we have a text, and if we want to refer to a data field, we simply enter the column name with curly brackets as a variable. We can also do this with the function insert. We add a text here once to show the booking number in the email text as well. When we have finished our email text, we can use the button preview to see if everything is interpreted correctly. In addition, we can also start an email preview. If everything is okay, we click on Email Dispatch to finalize our mass email dispatch. In this dialog box, we specify which column contains the recipient addresses, which column contains the subject, or we specify a subject that is the same for all recipients. Then we indicate whether we want to use a signature. We can choose whether we want to use the standard signature or a special signature. We then specify whether we want to add a file attachment. This can either be a path or a specific file that we can select here. In our example, we use a path specification. This is column J here. When all the entries have been made, we can send ourselves a test email. We just select the data series and click on Send One Test Mail. If we do not want to send directly, but want to see the mail first, we remove the tick here. If everything is okay now, we click on Send All. Then all emails are sent. This is how easy it is with the Excel bulk mailer. We can create almost any number of templates. We have just adapted the template. Now we want to save this as a new template. To do this, we click on Save This Text. Then we can either overwrite the existing template or save the text we have just shown as a new template. This is what we do now. So, that's it for Excel bulk mailer. A free demo version is available at https://excel-bulk-mailer.com.